Welcome to Revel, the world's best destination for adventurers and explorers, for artists and romantics, for the curious and the wild at heart. Step into the world of travel insight and destination inspiration. Revel in the experience. Today we will show you the best places for fossil hunting. Be sure to watch all the way to number 1 to discover a place with treasures for everyone. Number 10. Western Cape, South Africa. This destination highlights the West Coast Fossil Park, where you can find over 200 species of fossilized animals and fauna that have been around for 5 million years. A quick reminder, be sure to check with the local authorities whether they allow tourists to take fossils from a specific area or if it's only for admiring. Some sites do not allow visitors to collect from them. Number 9. Yunnan Province, China. If you're into a more thrilling fossil hunt, try exploring the dinosaur fossils in Lufeng County. It's famously recognized for its collection of dinosaur remains that dates back to the 1930s. Lufeng is said to be the only local site where dinosaur remains have been discovered from 2 geological ages. Number 8. Nova Scotia, Canada. For those who want more of a viewing tour, this place in Nova Scotia is for you. The Joggins Fossil Cliffs is a UNESCO-recognized site specifically for outstanding universal value. Its fossils are indeed one of a kind, and most of them date back to the Carboniferous period. Among the fascinating gems that you can see here is the Hylomenes lyelli, a lizard-like species that is classified as a reptile. Number 7. Zegong China. Zegong houses the biggest population of dinosaur fossils. Though it is quite a small town, the attention it draws makes the paleontology world more known. You can visit the Zegong Dinosaur Museum, which primarily exhibits remains and artifacts from the Jurassic and Mesozoic eras. Number 6. Naracoorte Caves, South Australia. Naracoorte Caves in South Australia is home to kangaroos, giant marsupials, and lizards in fossil form. Its abundance of spectacular remains of rare species make it a prime spot for explorers. You may take a guided tour at the Victoria Fossil Cave, where you can find beautiful stalactites and stalagmites, or visit the Wanambi Fossil Center, where you can view the most diverse and well-kept fossils in the world. Number 5. Boredenmark. If you desire to be in a quiet, secluded site, adventure to Mons Klint. Popularly recognized as one of Europe's abundant fossil beaches, it takes some effort to reach. After surpassing a dense forest and crossing a spot surrounded by orchids and trees, you will reach your destination. Number 4. Ohio, USA. In Ohio, you can discover Ordovician fossils. There is a fascinating 5-acre fossil hunting area that even professional paleontologists will enjoy analyzing. Check out Caesar State Park in Waynesville to see their impressive collection of gastropods, trilobites, and brachiopods. Number 3. Nangedi, Australia. The Colosseum Conservation Park in Nangedi, Australia preserves magnificent diversity. Among the precious treasures this place has been preserving are marine fossils found at the coal mine of Nangedi. The mine was once a savior of the state's dying economy and is now used for conservation purposes. Number 2. Maryland, USA. The Calvert Cliffs in Maryland, USA are filled with loose fossils, including shark teeth that can be found at Chesapeake Bay. This site has experienced the longest Miocene exposure in the world. To add more fun and thrill to your hunt, visit the Laurel Dinosaur Park, which is rich in dinosaur eggs and fossil collections. Number 1. Dorset, United Kingdom. Spanning over 95 miles on the coastline of East Devon lies the fossil site perfect for all hunters. Dorset in the United Kingdom features the Jurassic Coast, the first World Heritage Site for its fossil quality. Another highlight is the limestone cliffs, which are only for admiration purposes. If you want to take some fossils, visit the Chairmouth, considered one of the ideal and safe sites for fossil hunting. Uncovering the remains of the past is a fun way to discover how things used to be. You can explore the world to learn more about it and find all kinds of history. Which of these best places for fossil hunting will you go hunting at? Comment below. We're excited to hear which ones. Thanks for watching, Revelers! Hey, are you a Reveler yet? If not, what in the world? Join the movement. Click to subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified when we upload a new video, and grab some cool merch from our store and let the world know that you too are a Reveler.